Baby, you should know this. I ain't going, and I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going, and I.
Hey boos, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening a package sent by JVN Hair. If you're unfamiliar with JVN Hair, they are a hair company that specializes in all hair textures. Doesn't matter if you have straight hair, curly hair, frizzy hair, whatever. They have something just for you. So I'm a big sucker when it comes to aesthetics, and I love that JVN Hair thought of everything when it comes to marketing and sending out products. This is just me opening this package. I just thought it was so cute. I love this, and it matches my background perfectly, so love that for me. Opening this package, JVN Hair sent me a styling set. I think it is so cute, and I'm so excited to use this on my hair. If you guys don't know, I have been struggling with bad hair for so long. Oh my goodness, it has been a journey, and I made a TikTok about this, about my hair cycle and hair journey, and it's just nothing sweet. So thank you for JVN Hair for sending me this product so I could start a healthy hair journey. Opening the package, JVN Hair sent me 3 products. The first one was a hair oil. The second one that I have in my hair is a hair serum. Love that. I just love the packaging. It is so cute, so aesthetically pleasing. Like, and the last product that I'm pulling out of the box is a hair cream. So the first product that I'm going to be opening today is a pre-wash scalp oil. What I love about this scalp oil is it's hydrating and it cleanses your scalp before you wash. Oftentimes washing your hair, the hairdresser doesn't wash your scalp properly and you still have dandruff or whatever in your hair. This is really good because it takes that all out before your wash, so you're just gonna have a clean scalp. The next product I'm going to be opening today is the Instant Recovery Hair Serum. What I love about this is after your wash, you can instantly apply this on your hair and scalp. This helps repairs hair and seals split ends. Oh my goodness, I have so many split ends and it's so bad. So I can't wait to start using this product on my hair when I wash my hair to reduce the split ends, okay? Lastly, in this box, I'll be opening an air dry cream. This is good when your hair is dried and ready to be styled. Oftentimes, I always use gel, and gel always creates buildup, and it just makes my hair so bad. This cream is really good when it comes to reducing frizz, so I can't wait to style my hair with this, especially when I'm doing my little baby hairs. Yes, honey. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Stevie Stedman 20, so you can buy all these products from jvnhair.com.
Brand new whip, got gold keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I nut, you go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes and we. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. Same price I can make the lady come finish you. Know you being charged, yeah, jewelry like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the people. President's 10 shot, down, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit don't go crazy. They don't want the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight up the street, man, I'm going from the pavement. I'm million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave.
First we was touching and just kissing softly. Ended up fussing, can you get above me? Getting emotional. Getting emotional. The independence thing between us was the
actually about to film a sit-down video. I know the last time we spoke, which was yesterday, me getting my hair done, got some blonde in it. I just put these flexi rods in my hair because I didn't feel like curling or straightening anything. And ooh, I'm in a rush, girl. I'm in such a rush because I have class. First of all, it's almost 12 and I have class at 1. Ooh, yes. Okay, there we go. I have class at 1:15, so I have to hurry up and film this video. And I just have a lot of things to do because I still want to make good content. Oh, my lips are chapped. I still want to make good content, you know, for the vlog. But hold on, let me put you guys right here. Okay, so I want to film like good content for you guys and for myself because hello. But I'm like on such a time crunch right now. It's not even funny. But do you guys like the blonde? I really love this hair. Like, especially with my makeup done and everything. Ooh, it is too good. I'm so happy. My hairstylist, she is the go. So, yeah, see, that's how I know it's 12 o'clock because the bells are ringing. So I'm just gonna put my earrings on. I'm gonna be filming a luxury haul. I don't know if this vlog will go up before my luxury haul, but this is what I'm doing. I might be late to class, honestly. Y'all saw how I almost hit my head? So yeah, I'm just gonna film a quick luxury haul video. I love my hair, it's so cute. And let me get everything set up. Like you already know, like this is where I film, like so. So I'm gonna get everything set up in a few, put my big light on and wait for these church bells to turn off, and then yeah. So I'll check in with you guys in a second.
We was touching and just kissing softly. Ended up fussing, can you get above me?